Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Varlens and sign in with one account email address. Complete the 2-minute guided setup to grant camera and storage access. Allow microphone if you want voice annotations during capture. Create your first project by tapping New Project and naming it in plain text. Choose a default resolution of 1920 by 1080 for crisp captures and consistent exports. Set the autosave interval to 30 seconds to avoid data loss during long sessions. Tap Capture and use the grid overlay to align subjects with 3 taps for quick focus locking. Use annotation tools to add arrows, freehand marks, and text boxes with a 12-point default font size. Pin a voice note to any frame and record up to 2 minutes per note. Apply filters and fine-tune exposure using slider values between -2, 0, and +2, 0. Use the ruler tool calibrated to 3.5 inches to measure small objects accurately. When ready, export projects as MP4 video or multi-page PDF with metadata included. Choose an export size limit of 50 MB for quick shares or 1 GB for high fidelity. Share projects via link or invite collaborators by email and assign view or edit permissions. Links expire after 7 days by default unless you toggle persistent sharing on in settings. If uploads stall, force sync by tapping Sync Now. Typical sync completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.